occupations from A to Z. The letter A.
A.
A says as in astronaut. Astronaut. Astronauts travel in rockets to explore space. B.
B.
B says B as in baker. Baker. Bakers make breads, cakes, and pastries to sell. C.
C.
C says as in construction worker. Construction worker. Construction workers build or fix buildings and roads. D.
D.
D says D as in doctor. Doctor. Doctors keep people healthy and help the sick to feel better. E.
E.
E says as in engineer. Engineer. Engineers design and test machines and buildings. F.
F.
F says as in firefighter. Firefighter. Firefighters put out fires and rescue people. G.
G.
G says G as in garbage collector. Garbage collector. Garbage collectors pick up trash and recycling and take them to a landfill or recycling center. H.
H.
H says as in hairdresser. Hairdresser. Hairdressers wash, cut, and add color to hair to create different styles. I.
I.
I says E as in illustrator. Illustrator. Illustrators draw pictures for storybooks and cartoons as well. J.
J.
J says J as in journalist. Journalist. Journalists investigate and report the news. K.
K.
K says K as in kindergarten teacher. Kindergarten teacher. Kindergarten teachers help children learn letters, numbers, and skills that are needed for elementary school. L.
L.
L says as in lifeguard. Lifeguard. Lifeguards rescue people who get into difficulty in a pool or at the beach. M.
M.
M says as in musician. Musician. Musicians sing or play musical instruments for a living. N.
N.
N says as in nurse. Nurse. Nurses work with doctors to care for people who are sick or hurt. O.
O.
O says as in optometrist. Optometrist. Optometrists examine our eyes and test our vision to see if we need glasses or contact lenses. P.
P.
P says as in pilot. Pilot. Pilots fly aircrafts to take people from place to place. Q.
Q.
Q says as in quarterback. Quarterback. Quarterbacks lead their teams to score by passing the ball to other players. R.
R.
R says as in repairman. Repairman. Repairmen fix things that are broken in and around the home. S.
S.
S says as in scientist. Scientist. Scientists study how the world around us works. T.
T.
T says as in tailor. Tailor. Tailors make and mend clothes for people. U.
U.
U says as in umpire. Umpire. Umpires ensure all the rules are followed in a game. V.
V.
V says V as in veterinarian. Veterinarian. Veterinarians are doctors who care for animals when they are sick. W.
W.
W says as in waiter. Waiter. Waiters serve food to people at tables. X.
X.
X says X as in X at the beginning of X-ray technician. X-ray technician. X-ray technicians use a special machine to produce X-ray images to show what is happening inside the body of patients. Y.
Y.
Y says Y as in Yacht Captain. Yacht Captain. Yacht captains pilot boats, arrange repairs, and manage boat crews. Z.
Z.
Z says Z as in Zookeeper. Zookeeper. Zookeepers take care of all the animals living in the zoo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos. See you soon.